watch this before getting HeyGen AI. HeyGen AI is an AI video generation platform that specializes in AI avatars and lip-synced video from text. It's used for creating AI presenters, explainers, and training content. What it does well, over 100 plus high quality avatars with diverse voices and languages, allows you to upload your own face or voice and clone them with proper licensing. And they have script editing and translation built in, great for internal comms or marketing. And they have fast rendering times. What you need to know about HeyGen, they have monthly credits, or the monthly credits are limiting if you make frequent updates or test multiple versions. The voice tone is improving, but still not always natural. Works better for formal delivery. Licensing and usage rights for cloned avatars need careful review. It's not a cinematic video tool. It's for talking head content explainers, sales pitches. So get it if you want to automate corporate intros, tutorials, or marketing explainers fast. Skip it if you need emotional acting, high-end video storytelling, or complex motion. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.